Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake egg. First, ensure your eggs are at room temperature for better emulsification. This simple step significantly improves the texture and rise of your cake. Room temperature eggs combine more easily with other ingredients, creating a smoother batter. This leads to a more uniform and airy cake, so don't skip this crucial preparation. Next, consider how your recipe uses eggs. Some recipes call for whole eggs, while others require separating the whites and yolks. If separating, do so carefully to avoid any yolk in the whites. Beating egg whites to stiff peaks incorporates air, which is essential for a light and airy cake. This technique adds volume and a delicate texture to your final product. When adding eggs to your batter, do it gradually. Incorporate one egg at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition until just combined. This ensures proper emulsification and prevents the batter from curdling. If using beaten egg whites, fold them in gently at the very end. This preserves the air you've worked hard to incorporate, resulting in a wonderfully light cake. Finally, let's troubleshoot common egg-related issues. Overmixing after adding eggs can develop too much gluten, making your cake tough. Using cold eggs can cause your batter to curdle, affecting the final texture. Always aim for room temperature eggs. If your cake is dry, it might be due to too few eggs, which provide essential moisture and richness. Adjusting these factors will improve your baking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.